All right, guys, good morning. I've been trying to do this video. This is like my 20th take. So I'm just going to take it easy and just basically tell you that I'm in for the Porsche group build. Thanks, Chuck. That's a great idea. You know that I support your channel, also BG and Lucas C. I also follow your Porsche Facebook page. And I have entered some of the Porsche group, Porsche projects that I have been doing. So now the pain is which Porsche I want to build because I have so many. I just want to show you real quick some of the Porsche kits I have in stored. I have a couple of 911s. I have a 917, the 935, the early version, the GT2. It's an awesome race car. But still, at home, I have a 956, the Rothman, the Le Mans winning Porsche. I have the 935 Kramer, the K2 and the K3, especially the K3 that won Le Mans overall. So again, decisions. I know I have up till July 1st to start, so I'm not gonna break my head. I'm not gonna start it because I'm working on my GT40, 67 GT40. I hope you've been following my build on my Facebook page. So far, watching your guys' entries, I don't want to build the same thing you're building. I want to build something different, so there's variety on this group build. So you tell me, what do you think? This is my choice. Again, it can change. But if any of you were planning on doing it, just let me know. I may change my mind later. This is the Porsche I want to make. What do you guys think? This is the 74 RSR Carrera 911. There's a lot of history on this car. It's the first time Porsche started experimenting with turbo. So if you love 934s, 935s, this is the Big Papa. A very aggressive Porsche. Love the concept. So it's a very easy kit, but you have to take your time if you want to do a nice clean kit. I'm gonna be trying to experiment with 3D printing turbos to replace the kit's turbo. I'm sure it's tiny and Mickey Mouse looking. So this is my entry so far. Hope you like it, and I hope it comes out decent. So guys, thank you so much for your contributions to the community. Keep it up. You don't know how much we all need that motivation. So thanks a lot. Keep it coming. Even though most of us are going to start, some of us won't be able to finish on time. Doesn't matter. The idea is to keep the motivation going. And if you mention this is going to be every year, I'm in it. It'll be great because I have, like you see, I have a lot of Porsche kits. They're just sitting there on my shelf, not being built. So maybe this is a reason if I can start building one Porsche a year. Hopefully by the time I die, I'll have a nice collection. And we'll see. Anyway, I also want to give a couple of shout outs. Hold on.